We'll guide you through how to mix songs on Spotify. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's a frustrating problem when there's a certain song that you want to go and use on Instagram and it's not showing, and it's not showing a lot of other songs as well. We're going to guide you through fixing this. Now, there is potential that this song just isn't on Instagram. Instagram won't have every single song in the world, but it does have a lot of them. And if you're finding that it's not showing them, then this can be by a setting we can go and change. So if you're pretty sure that it's on Instagram and it's just not showing for you, let's try fixing this. What you want to do is press your profile icon in the bottom right. This will bring you here, and you need to go and press the 3 lines in the top right. This opens your settings and activity. You want to come down to the section, your insights and tools, and in here you want to go and press account type and tools. At the top, press account type. Now, for some reason, not all songs may go and show when it's in this mode. So what you can do is press switch account type, and we're going to switch back to a personal account. Confirm the decision. Of course, you do lose the other benefits, but doing this can hopefully resolve the problem. Go and wait while it goes and switches back. Of course, you can always go and switch back to a professional account in the future. We've now switched, and now what you can do is try accessing the songs, and hopefully that resolves it. Leave a like if you found this useful.